RocAndretti, this a hit.
Hey, yo, hey,
I might bust a hole in these pants with these bands. Pressure on me, kicking dog, just like Jackie Chan. Hey, pull up at the hill to $250,000 in the legend. Nigga on the hill, cause I ain't really gon' for nothing. That little nigga up, they say that nigga up the shop.
YouTube, back with another one, man. We just got notification that the SRT rear bumper just touched down. Just got delivered. So we gonna go scoop that up. I'm gonna take that to my storage where I got all the other SRT body kit parts at. I'm gonna let y'all see them, and I'm gonna explain everything that's needed for this SRT body kit conversion. And y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. The pack officially touched down, as y'all can see. Went and scooped that up, man. I gotta get used to vlogging in public, man. I would have vlogged when I first got it, but this just felt awkward. I gotta get over that. But I looked over it. Of course, it's in the plastic. I gotta take it out the plastic.
Rip me out the plastic.
I looked over it and everything looked fine. The diffuser was attached, so that was kind of one of my concerns. But the diffuser was attached, so everything seemed good. When we get to the storage, I'm gonna let y'all see it once I take out the plastic.
Rip me out the plastic.
Pick y'all back up when we get there. I'm actually in the 300 today. What y'all see? So yeah, we in the 300 with it today. Get y'all a little. You know, something slight.
what the fuck was that?
Yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to this storage place. All right, y'all. Just got here to the storage place. Looked over the bumper. I was cool at first. Then I got pissed the fuck off. So, SRT rear bumper. Cool, everything good. Got the diffuser. I know it needs the tow hitch cover. I knew that already though. Even got the lights already tinted. Cool. Everything good. Cool. Then I get over here.
What the fuck?
This right here. That shit was not in the pictures. I looked back on the eBay post. The seller intentionally didn't take a picture of that side. I'm looking through the pictures. I didn't notice at first when I was trying to get it. And I looked back. He didn't show that paint chip.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Or whatever it is. So the whole purpose for this, getting this bumper right here, it matches everything else. Matches the hood, the bumper back here. Fender flares, rocker panels right here. All the stuff you need to do this conversion. So it matched it. I could have got a lot of other bumpers. The reason why I got this specifically because it matched the paint. So I'm like, okay, cool. I ain't got to get a paint job. But then I see this.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, if y'all know what I need to do Can I paint over this or what? I don't even know what this is. Scratched up. But yeah, that just pissed me off, man. So I'm gonna collect my thoughts. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all. So the parts you need for this SRT body kit conversion: 1, SRT hood. 2, SRT rear bumper. You're gonna need 2 SRT rocker panels or side skirts. There's one right here, I got one over there. You're gonna need 6 fender flare pieces, 2 long ones, and there's 4 of these small ones right here. And last but not least, SRT front bumper. This is off a trackhawk. All right, y'all. That's all the parts we got so far for this body kit. Got everything major, just missing little miscellaneous things here and there. But I'm gonna put in the description the links to all the parts you need. Some places sell the kit with everything all together. I'm not sure on that because I didn't go that route, but I will be putting a link for that too as well. It might be easier to just get everything at once. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. Need y'all to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna keep pumping out these videos on this build, and y'all stay tuned for this journey, man.
Damn, Andretti, this a hit.
Hey. Yo. Hey.
Hey, I might bust a hole in these pants with these bands. Pressure on me, kicking dog, just like Jackie Chan. Hey, pull up at the hill to $250,000 in the lady. Nigga on the hill, cause I ain't really gon' for nothing. That little nigga up, they say that nigga up the shop.